today we are going to continue the last video that I did, which is making an animated intro with animaker. So today I'm going to show you how to add that voice, the speech to the video. So let's get started. So for that, just click on the character, and there in this pop-up menu you can see this voice over option with this microphone icon. So click on that, and there you can see three options, which is record voice, text to speech, and upload. You can upload your own voice from your files or whatever, but that day I did text to speech, so I'm going to click text to speech, and you can write what you want your character to say. So I'm just gonna do that. So I've typed in what I want this character to say. So I wrote, this is the final product. So you can change your gender, you can change your language, there's a variety of that, and you can change like the voice. So I'm just gonna keep it like that, and you can see how that goes. So let me just do that. So it went well. So now I'm going to sync my audio with the video. So click on sync.